Hey everybody, Saturday, January 1st here. Hanging with my friends, Steve and Joe. Enjoying Saturday afternoon here. So they decided to pick me up, take me to this place here. It's near Baler. Let me show you around. This is what it's called, Lake Farm. It's a big resort here, right on the lake. Looks pretty nice so far. We just got here. It's way out here, man. It took a while to get here. But they have lots of places to stay. Lots of rooms. I had to pay 50 pesos for parking. But I think there was another way you could have avoided that. Now they're filling out some kind of papers. I think there's an entrance fee. Was there 200 pesos for entrance fee?
Pesos per.
Okay. Oh, you could have parked all the way here, I guess. There was a way to come in here. This is the restaurant.
Where are you taking us, Joe?
The restaurant.
Okay. Joe?
Huh? Oh shit. Thank you.
See this little road that I want to go on?
This is only good for the checking.
Yeah, you probably could have drove all the way down here. No big deal.
Before the restaurant was up there.
Oh, yeah.
It's a pool.
So what did she say, Joe?
They said they transferred the.
Transferred it. Nice place, though.
That's the swimming pool, the blue one.
Oh,
Up
yeah.
there.
Okay, this is the restaurant.
They have a nice view over there.
Let me just do the view and then
Okay.
I'll go in there. I want to show you guys this before we go in the restaurant. We're all pretty hungry because we did a lot of driving. But this is the view. Pretty nice. Pretty cool, pretty cool. It's a big place, man. One person owns all this. Oh, they got cubos down here. It's definitely somebody spent some money building this place. I like these roofs they did. These tent roofs. Hello. Pretty cool. Place you can stand up here. You can stand here and do a video. Pretty cool people. How about that for a view? That's why they call it Lake View, I guess. Makes sense to me. Like I said, from Cabana to One, it took us a while to get here. Probably at least an hour and a half. Plus we made a wrong turn. The Waze took us in a different direction. So we took this side road that I should have done a video because it was not a good situation. It was a dirt road that was dangerous, closed, road closed. Would have been a good content. Anyway, I'm gonna sign out for now because I want to go inside this restaurant. Well, let me see if I can keep it running. Go inside. Hello, hello. There we are. This is the place. Alright everybody, I'm going to sign out. Thanks for watching. I'll do another video later. Like and subscribe, it's free. God bless everyone. Santa Claus. Over now.